So today we are going to replace the lens on a GoPro Hero 8. So let's get to it. Now the GoPro Hero 8 is unique in the GoPro lineup because it's the first and only one that does not allow you to easily replace this outer lens. Even the GoPro 9, which just came out, went back to that model. So this video is just for the 8. The company that makes this replacement lens is called Camera Butter, and I've linked them down below. The first thing I'm doing is cleaning my work surface just to make sure that there's no dirt or dust that'll get inside the lens. The next thing I'm gonna do is wash my hands to make sure there's no grease or dirt on them. If you have disposable gloves, I would recommend using those. Next, if your lens is shattered but still attached to the camera, you might need a heat gun to release the adhesive and remove the lens. When I shattered my lens, I was able to remove all but just a little bit of the adhesive. If you do have to use a heat gun, it's recommended that you use a bit of cardboard like this to protect the rest of the camera. Next, I'm using tweezers and a knife to remove the excess adhesive. Again, a heat gun may come in handy to release that adhesive. Also be very careful not to scratch the main lens. This is by far the hardest and most painstaking part. You really want to get as much of the adhesive out of there as you can. It's just going to make the replacement lens sit a lot more securely. Next, I'm going to clean the lens and make sure the area is just clear of dirt and hair. Now we're going to take the replacement lens, and there's a little tab to remove the backing. Now we fit and press down. Then we'll remove the plastic cover and use the wipes to clean the lens. And there you have it, good as new. Well, hopefully you guys had no issues replacing the lens on your GoPro. Good luck shooting out there, and we'll see you in the next one.